You can also stream my screen. I don't mind. I don't know about your setup.
Okay,
Where do you stream? Twitch or YouTube?
YouTube.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let's talk about the market. So, by the way, how clear is it there on Discord?
How? Once more,
3 minutes.
huh?
How clear is my stream in Discord? Can you see it clearly?
I can see it clearly. Yes.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. Oh, let's talk about the market then. Oh,
Sure. Are we live?
yeah. I've just
Ah,
so I managed to
on the
stream.
air.
I managed to stream $5,000 of profit in 2 separate streams this morning already.
11 minutes.
So now I'm looking at the ES chart, and
Mhm.
if you're looking with me, you can see that the yellow line, cum delta, is coming down more than the gray line price is coming down.
Mhm.
And we've got cum delta in a downtrend, and price itself overall on the day is in an uptrend. So the market's a bit crossed up right now. We've got aggressive sell orders coming into ES, but they're being absorbed
Yeah, I
by
agree.
accumulating limit buy orders.
4 minutes.
Okay. And then if you look at these two indicators down the bottom, we've got the gray line well above the yellow line, meaning as another measure of saying, yeah, I agree, price is going up a lot easier than it's going down. So
Mm-hmm.
it's crossed up because all the aggressive orders are still down, but price is not going down easily. So the market's what I'm calling crossed up, and we can't really stay out of we can't
12
really
minutes.
trade this, not profitably anyways. And if you're looking at ES structure down here, we're having extreme energy downs as well. So I'm not saying we've marked out the top of the day, but I'm certainly saying it's not going up right now.
Okay. That kind of looks poor to my long position, though.
Oh yeah, I would not be long right now.
My analysis says long.
I would not be super short either.
5 minutes.
Like small targets maybe.
Yeah, I can see that. So basically, yesterday is the first time I've seen FOMC meeting. It's only 50 minutes apparently, and then half an hour question and answers, correct?
Yeah.
Is this usually this way or just yesterday?
13
Yeah, the
minutes.
news announcement comes out, and then the minutes come, like the PDF report comes out, and then there's
Mm-hmm.
a little talk as well.
Mm.
It was very volatile reaction
Mm.
today.
Uh,
I found it untradeable.
Me too. I have had 3 setups until 11 p.m. my local time, which is 1 hour before market closes, and
6
two
minutes.
losses out of 3. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's my first time streaming with an agenda, to be honest. So I would appreciate if you could lead the first stream. I think we will do this in a more regular fashion. Maybe you will invite some other fellas as well. I can imagine.
Oh yeah, hopefully. I'm getting some echoes at the moment.
14 minutes.
That's not your fault. That's my audio setup's not quite working.
Ah, yeah.
So,
I will be back shortly.
okay.
So, I would like to clarify, I don't know what you've been talking about until right now. Hi, this is Lucas, some random German guy from the internet, and not profitable just yet, but almost.
7 minutes.
Thank you, Lucas.
Do we have any live viewers?
Nope.
Ah,
Just you and
damn.
me. But I'm practicing. I want to get good at streaming.
Yeah. As long as you forget you are streaming, it's fine. I encountered this issue in the past. I've been doing a YouTube channel for 5 years or something, And the first couple of years, because I didn't take it serious, always have been, oh, now I've got to talk on air or I get recorded. It's kind of weird. As soon as you can forget about this feeling, it's going to be easy and fluid.
Thank you for encouraging me. Taking a look at NQ structure here. We had an
Mm-hmm.
extreme energy down here at the day's top.
8 minutes.
So with NQ,
Mm-hmm.
that extreme energy down is fairly good at marking out the day's high.
Okay.
Not always, of course, there's exceptions. It's not a rule, but it's as a rule of thumb. It's like, oh, okay, well that looks like it could be the day's high then. So once we've seen that, the object is you wait for it to retrace. It might retrace to the quarter pivot down here, or it might retrace, somewhere down to the session open. And then the idea is
Mm-hmm.
to slowly take buys, maybe dollar cost average a little bit if you don't take too many buys initially. And the exit the exit plan for this is when price goes below the session open price with another extreme energy down, because that's an official trend change down. And so you want to be out of your longs.
I will be out before that happens, I suppose.
Yeah.
My stop loss is kind of tight. If we tick below local lows, which would be slightly below the quarterly mark
9
in your
minutes.
chart, I will be out of my position.
Are you short NQ or ES or something else?
I am looking at ES being long.
Okay.
I personally only trade NQ if ES doesn't give me the volatility I need.
Yeah. Yeah, ES is lovely. It's like floating on a cloud and it
Yeah.
doesn't punish you. And if you think it's boring, you need to trade more contracts. See how the energies are down on ES?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's having some trouble getting price to come down, but the energies are certainly down. So your short is safe. And if the energies stay down long enough, then they'll overcome all that absorption and punch price down. Um, but structurally, my view on ES is the
10
same
minutes.
as for NQ, which is that we're in that part of the day where it's made some highs for the day. Now we're waiting for it to come down and retrace before we take longs again. So be watching for this, maybe a good retracement to the 200 moving average here. Watching for extreme energy up, which will coincide with this energy chart here changing direction. And then it will be time for longs, targeting the day's previous high.
Mm-hmm. I hope that happens.
Yeah, so now
So
your shorts are safe, in my opinion.
I am in long position.
Oh, oh,
Yeah. Which is fine. Yeah, I am stopped out right now. I apparently didn't get slippage as it looks like, which I appreciate. Thank you, market. Yeah,
11 minutes. 3
we
minutes.
at least wicked the double bottom from 1 hour ago, half an hour ago, which may just be the liquidity grab. If I would be looking for aggressive relongs, it would be on MES 86. On Nasdaq, I suppose also long interest, it would be 663, my very aggressive relong, which would be defending the previous low from 2 hours 30 ago.
okay. 663 is just under the day's open.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
that like the New York session open. That would be a good long if you don't have extreme energy down.
My bias on the daily is going to be long. Yes, so until my 30-minute bias shifts, there's nothing for me to short off of. And yeah, I just wait and look what market is going to present me.
12 minutes. 4 minutes.
So looking at your data chart from your previous data chart, looking at this apex drawing, I would have guessed you would be in short positions right now. But as far as I can tell, you are not. Why is that?
Well, if it was the first half hour or hour of the morning, I'd be blindly following the energy. But we're in a part
Mm-hmm.
of the day at 11:53 Eastern, where it's lunchtime, and the day has established an uptrend. So the strategy at this time of day is you can scalp some cheeky shorts, keeping your targets really small, but the idea is you wait for the energies to turn around and start going back up again, and then you target the day's high for a smooth, clean ride up.
Mm-hmm. I see. I also encountered this kind of knowledge. The later it becomes
14
in the day,
minutes.
the less likely my
5
setups are going
minutes.
to hit.
Yeah,
I personally can't point the finger on the reason, but it just seems to be this way.
yeah. ES has hit the 200 moving average, so looking to see a green extreme energy up off the 200 moving average would be a good
Mhm.
signal, and that would coincide with a change in trend on this Cum Delta chart as well. And look how price is leading up so much. So longs are going to be good on ES.
In 3 minutes, if I'm not mistaken, my trading break is going to happen. Then I've got 1 hour trading break.
Okay.
By the way, I start my no, I start my stream in 1 hour if it's fine to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Looking at your time, 1 p.m., I start looking for entries again. But I keep track of the
14
market
minutes.
just to be aware of
6
the
minutes.
direction I will be trading in. Personal preference long, although this looks like 3 minute correction move, which may just be the higher time frame, let's say 30 minute, the start of the 30-minute correction move. We may anticipate another lower low looking at market open, below market open. So this is my ideas on the market, my technicals I can talk about. The other stuff I didn't really research. Yes. Therefore, it's hard to pinpoint. Would
7
you
minutes.
please send your link? We can view but one view onto your stream. This way it gets more often recommended.
You mean the YouTube link, right?
Yeah.
Do I do it?
We could also open the 5 second chart and just start actively commentating what's happening. If we do it on higher time frame than 1 minute, it's kind of boring.
No, I want to keep analyzing it. The energy structures.
Mhm.
Nearly there.
8 minutes.
Today I didn't manage to take one entry. I had 4 trades, if I'm not mistaken, today. One I didn't take, 2 losses, 3 losses. No, wait. 5 trades until now. 3 out of them are losses, and I only took one win because I can't always trade while at work, which is kind of annoying. I missed out on $30, which would make my daily P&L looking, yeah, minus 70 instead of minus $100. But as long as I don't gamble, it's going to be fine over the long term.
Just paying attention to the energy flow in ES right now.
It looks
Oh,
like bullish
looks
change of
9
structure,
minutes.
doesn't it?
oh, it looks like it's giving clues that it could be slowing down. And
Mm.
structurally, it has made a really good retracement down.
Yeah.
NQ is the same, and NQ energies are also giving hints that they could be going to turn around.
Mhm. So a friend of mine has wrote a bot, a machine we like to call, which is analyzing OHCL data, and I guess I will start continue my research on the bot's progress. Now it's actually giving trades I can research. So far it looks to be 80% fine, but the 20% I would like to gather more examples of.
10 minutes.
Yeah. So I won't be looking at the market anymore. My trading session is over. Let's take a break. EnergyBars.Trading. Huh? Why not fast
3
fintech?
minutes.
I thought that's your go-to.
I'll
Fast
probably change the
fintech.
channel name later.
I see. Okay.
The channel name was created when I started looking at energy flow.
I see. Okay. There is a error. I can't chat.
Okay.
There is
11
a error.
minutes.
I can't chat. No. Okay. I can't.
11 minutes.
No. Okay. I can't.
4 minutes.
And you also live stream with Facecam. I didn't think that. I thought you would like to be more private with your face, to be honest. But I mean, it's fine. Why not?
My face cam is not streaming, right?
Right now, it isn't. In the stream from 4 months ago, it used to be.
Oh yeah.
Right now, it isn't. In the stream from 4 months ago, it
12
used to be.
minutes.
Right now, it isn't. In the stream from 4 months ago, it
12 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes.
Just one contract on ES so far.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah. Now? Well, okay.
Yeah.
On the 1 minute, I agree. 3 minute didn't give me my signal just yet.
Yeah.
Now? Well, okay. On the 1 minute, I agree. 3 minute didn't give me my signal just yet. Now? Well,
Order filled.
13 minutes.
nah, 1 minute, I have to be very loosely, yeah, to agree. But I can see that. We, on the ES, we just hit the 691 level, which is the previous high. If we are looking at the, do you see my stream?
6
I'm
minutes.
not watching your screen. I'm focused on my own.
I see. If we say there is a structure move down, and we don't necessarily need higher highs or lower lows to count one move as a structure arm, I can argue that we just bounce off of support, we just hit the top of it, and the next we just tapped into the support zone, which is 5 points in diameter. And the next we just tapped into the support zone, which is
14
Although
minutes.
looking at short-term structure within the last 90 minutes, we are just bouncing off of the reference low, I guess, which would be a nice take profit or short point of interest depending on bias. But what do I know?
7 minutes.
If you've got any suggestions on what I can improve on, please, talking wise, let me know. If you've got any suggestions on what I can improve on, talking wise, let me
Looks like
know.
we're just getting a buy signal on the ES's energy chart right now.
Ooh, yeah,
So I'm just going to mark that in right there.
let's go.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. So I expect first proper rejection on 701, and the second proper reaction is supposed to be 706. Looking at a 2-point rejection or more. I would like to see more, but I don't mean to change your bias.
8 minutes.
Well, it's very early stages yet for this run. Oh, that's why I'm only one contract on
8 minutes.
ES and one on NQ.
Mm-hmm. Also on NQ? Okay.
Yeah. Just because I see price moving up easy compared to moving down.
Mm-hmm.
The energy has started to go up a little bit, but hasn't given a proper up signal yet. Oh, I jumped the gun just a little bit early on my NQ entry.
Mm-hmm. I personally prefer the ES bullish entry, just based on the candle closures. There is a thrust bar present from 3 minutes ago, which gives more bullish bias to me than to the NQ. Sorry. On the NQ, we just triple faked the inside bar until we candle close above in
9
8
minutes.
seconds. Then I anticipate a pullback coming to 36, perhaps below. Now we activated my inside bar bullish. We've got support right below us. We reclaimed the previous low 34.5, which would be my bullish point of interest. We reclaimed the previous low 34.5, which would be my bullish point of interest. Now there's also a valid bullish signal on Nasdaq, by my books. Now there's also a valid bullish signal on Nasdaq, by my books. Now there's also a valid bullish signal on Nasdaq, by my books.
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Order filled.
I closed the NQ position.
We
Energies aren't working out on that yet.
we almost touched my point of interest. This could have been the long. Yeah. We almost touched my point of interest. Which I didn't take statistics on, to be fair. Yeah. It's just discretion. To be fair. It's just discretion.
11 minutes. 11 minutes.
ES energies are still looking good for a long.
Mm-hmm.
Not perfect, just okay.
Mm-hmm.
Not perfect, just okay.
12 12 minutes.
Okay, where did I stop yesterday?
Order filled.
12 minutes.
Okay, where did I stop yesterday?
Order filled.
It's funny to me how precise and how precise the bot is. You've got to define everything, and I mean everything. Otherwise, the computer, the machine doesn't know what to do and just skips on entries or imagines entries which are not visible as a human. It's kind of funny. Know what to do and just skips on entries or imagines entries which are not visible as a human. It's kind of funny.
3 minutes. 13
Props to my
minutes.
father. I just gave the idea and the algorithmic trading approach, and he gave the coding knowledge. And the algorithmic trading approach, and he gave the coding knowledge. And now he's also looking for algorithmic edges without taking months to do research. Prior to this, he has been looking for discretionary edges. To do research. Prior to this, he has been looking for discretionary edges. To do research. Prior to this, he has been looking for discretionary edges.
4 minutes. 14 minutes. 4 minutes. 14 minutes.
Okay, here we go.
4 minutes. 14 minutes.
Okay, here we go.
Double down. I like that. If it is getting boring, just double the size. I agree.
Yeah.
I like that. If it getting boring, and you don't like the Nasdaq long as much as the S&P long?
Not
Why
yet.
is that? Because of the energy bars, I suppose. And you don't like the
Nasdaq energy is
Nasdaq
still
long
going
as
down.
much as the S&P. Okay. Why is that? Because of the energy bars, I suppose. And you don't like the
Nasdaq energy is
Nasdaq
still
long
going
as
down.
much as the S&P. Okay. Why is that? Because of the energy
5
bars,
minutes.
I suppose. Okay.
5 minutes.
We've got 2 views in chat. Hi. Oh, I can write something. We've got 2 views in chat. Hi. Oh, I can write something. We've got 2 views in chat. Hi. Oh, I can write something.
6 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes.
If ES makes some new highs now and then comes back down to the entry point, I'm going to double up again.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
If it doesn't come back down, then it'll just have to run away with 2 contracts.
I don't remember, did I ask you? I am thinking about buying a prop challenge next month and using one mini with my current approach, which would be losing the account after 3 or 6 trades or or winning, passing the challenge after 6 trades, 6 wins, you know?
Yeah.
Do you think it's worth it putting $100 on the line to do this over leveraged trading? Do you think it's worth
No,
it?
you're
No?
probably blowing
Putting
it's extremely high.
$100 on the line to do this okay, yeah. Over
Maybe two
leveraged
micros
trading?
will bring your probability up a lot better. Of course, it will take a lot
No?
longer, but what you just described is
Okay, yeah.
a losing proposition.
Well, I've got a $3,000 max drawdown, which equals 3 or 6 losing trades in a row, which also equals 3 or 6 winning trades to pass the challenge. My winning probability is 53% on the low end. Yeah, I also think it ain't worth, but I've spoken to some guys on the internet who highly recommend prop trading because I can leverage.
Yeah.
If it works and I get my first payout after the 5th attempt or something, I will be 3 times as fast or something as doing proper 2% risk on my own capital.
If it only takes 3 to 6 trades to blow your account, you're trading way too big for the account.
So it would be 5 micros, which would equal 6 or 12 trades.
Or 2 micros. So
Two.
basically, you should be trading a size where you have to work hard to blow the account.
Mm-hmm.
And that could be like a really tight stop loss, which you're not using, or
No.
a really small contract size. Whatever it is, losing your account
Mm-hmm.
should be an act of your will by actively over trading and going tilt.
Yeah.
Because your trading style requires it to be hard work to blow the account. Like you have to put a lot of consecutive losing trades.
Yeah. I
Okay.
see. Yeah. Thank
Nasdaq
you.
and Nasdaq Energy has turned up.
Nice.
3 minutes.
Okay. It's time to take a stab on the Nasdaq as well.
Order
That's going
filled.
to be going up in sync with ES as well. I think it's a fairly strong
3
position.
minutes.
Order filled.
Thank you for your knowledge. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you for your lovely friendship.
It's purely transactional. It's purely transactional.
That's funny.
Huh?
That's funny.
But why? Because most friendships are transactional and they don't work anymore as soon as someone stops giving something for free.
3
That's
minutes.
different than friendship.
4 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
3 minutes.
Indeed.
4 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Indeed. Yeah, from my experience, to be honest, I'm not very experienced with long-term friendships. I've got, let's say, 3, and most of the other friendships, it's one person gives way more energy into the friendship than the other one, and over some time it just stops. Which is kind of sad, but apparently it's the way most people are practicing friendship. Which is kind of sad, but apparently it's the way most people are practicing friendship.
4 minutes. 5 minutes.
Never got
4
a chance to
minutes.
double up my ES holdings.
5 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Fly me to the moon.
No,
Is that a Michael Bublé song?
I only know the small end version. I don't know. I only know the small end version. I don't know.
Pulling up the NQ stops too soon, I think. Pulling up the NQ stops too soon, I think.
5
Good place
minutes.
for them.
6 minutes. 5 minutes. 6 minutes.
Okay, now I can start doing research. Fly me to the moon. Oh, I got my 3-minute bullish on both markets. Bullish signal. 3-minute bullish on both markets. Bullish signal. Signal.
6 minutes. 7 minutes. 6 minutes. 7 minutes. 6 minutes. 7 minutes.
I didn't take this S&P long entry on purpose. Nasdaq isn't there just. Oh, Nasdaq also hit my bullish entry. I don't take them. S&P long entry on purpose. Nasdaq isn't there just. Oh, Nasdaq also hit my bullish entry. I don't take them. I don't take them. I would enjoy seeing a
7 minutes.
pullback, to be honest.
8 minutes.
Coming back down, just to get a better entry,
8 minutes.
which would be on the Nasdaq 32, the range 22 till 25, and S&P, which would be on the Nasdaq 32. I don't know. 22 till 25. On the S&P, I don't enjoy bearish. I don't know. On the S&P, I don't enjoy bearish. On the S&P, I don't enjoy bearish.
Making a decision about whether I should close out this NQ.
8 minutes.
Mhm.
The
9 minutes.
I guess what I'll do is
8 minutes.
I'll close out the NQ if I get energy closing below this line here.
9
So I'll pull
minutes.
my stops away,
Mhm.
and I'll be
What
watching
do you mean
this line
closing?
here. If this energy comes below this line here,
Mhm.
I think that's the point to
Mhm.
move up on
What do you
NQ.
mean?
So for
Okay.
now, I'll just I took my stops out of the harm's way,
Mhm.
and I think I'll chill out a bit on this
Okay.
trade. So
How do your stops look like on S&P?
break even. Trading
Okay.
S&P is like driving a cloud. It's easy.
How do your stops look like on S&P?
Like if you're just trading in the same direction as energy,
Okay.
as this guy, the S&P
9
is
minutes.
really smooth to drive.
10 minutes. 9 minutes. 10 minutes.
One thing I have been wondering about, why do you put the take profits and stop losses not at the same level? So you can partially exit an entry, or...
I don't really know.
Okay, fair enough.
Like they're just a few ticks apart, so why? I don't know. I like to have them a little bit apart so I can grab them with a mouse and move them if I want to just move one
Mm-hmm.
of them.
Mm-hmm.
And it's fine to have them both there
Mm-hmm.
at that level,
Mm-hmm.
but when they're a long way away and the profit target's really huge, You don't want to have too many
10 minutes.
contracts when you're trailing an Apex account with a trailing
11
drawdown,
minutes.
because
Yes.
you'll have a winning trade that blows your account
10
because you were
minutes.
long 6 contracts and it retraced 200 ticks.
11 minutes.
So
Yes.
um, that in that situation, when I've like dollar cost average or something, I've got a lot of contracts, I'll be selling a lot of them for smaller profits to just to get rid of them, so I don't have that huge risk of blowing the
Mm-hmm.
account with the trailing drawdown.
All right. Mm-hmm.
Which sucks, really. That's
All right.
bad trading, just to conform with Apex rules. Because when you've got a good trade, you really want to have as many contracts on it as possible.
Yes.
11 minutes. 12 minutes.
Mm.
11 minutes.
So, yeah.
12 minutes.
So, yeah.
12 minutes.
So, yeah. Mm.
12 minutes.
Are you up to it?
13 minutes.
Ah.
Little kid came in and shouted towards
Mm.
me and ran away. He's probably trying to come out and chase him.
13 minutes.
Ah ja. Ah ja. Oh.
Love you. Come here and say that.
Get over here.
Love you. Come here and say that. I dare you to say that where I can grab you.
Get over here.
I dare you to say that where I can grab you.
Get over here.
Yeah, love.
13 minutes. 14 minutes.
Oh, we should give this a clean up, hey? Why don't you ask Mama to
14
Google
minutes.
what chemicals are really good at cleaning a
14
brass
minutes.
penny? Why don't you ask Mama to Google what chemicals are really good at cleaning a brass penny? 'What are we waiting for? Lunchtime trading.
14 minutes.
Is lunchtime over in 30 minutes, I suppose? Or
14 minutes.
I must refine my English skills. The grammar ain't good. Yeah, I think lunchtime is over in 30 minutes, isn't it? The grammar ain't
Oh, I
good.
got no idea what lunchtime is, as far as the
I
market's
think
concerned.
lunchtime is over in 30 minutes, isn't it? On the German DAX, there is also lunchtime, which is 11:48 to 13:12, something like that, which
Yeah, we're
equals
on that.
90 minutes. Yes, so I expect there also
Come here, bud.
13:12, something like that, which equals 90 minutes. Yes, so I expect there also
Okay. We're good now. I've got my little baby boy here blowing up the candles.
Say hi.
He can't hear you because I got headphones on.
Ah, yeah.
But I sit on a gym ball instead of a chair,
Say
and
hi.
he
Ooh.
loves to bounce.
Mm-hmm. Ah, yeah. It's bouncy. Ooh. Mm-hmm. It's bouncy.
Well, that's a healthy profit. Just $1,000 up for lunchtime trading. Do you think we should hold it?
Mm,
Wait for the day's highs? Or should we take the
um,
$1,000 and let the count flatten out?
my next point of resistance is 706 on the S&P. On the Nasdaq, we didn't hit it just yet, which would be 83. I don't know, it's up to you. On the Nasdaq, we didn't hit it just yet, which would be 83.
3 minutes.
I don't know,
NQ is
it's up to
starting to
you.
have some positive characteristics to its energy curve, so I'm happy to hold NQ a bit longer.
Mm-hmm.
Should probably bring the stops up to break even and insist that it goes up or get out of the trade. I don't like to do that because I don't want to get out of the trade, but I guess it's okay to say it has to go now or else we're getting out. And ES is just drifting up easily without any strong energy to drive it up. So ES is facing no resistance at the moment. So that's a good trade to just hold. So it looks like NQ did decide to cooperate and go up straight away.
3 minutes. 4 minutes.
So here's a view of NQ's structure chart. We're just targeting the day's high. After the second retracement to the quarter pivot. The quarter pivot is a 50% retracement to the session open.
Mm-hmm.
Looking at ES's structure, it's the same thing. We're targeting just below the day's highs. After some messy retracement, exactly as I described actually. Earlier in the day I was describing how when there's an uptrend established, then you wait for it to retrace back to, as close to the session open as possible and then get long again and target the day's highs, which is precisely what we're doing here. And it's playing itself out nicely with the trade itself, of course, timed by the shift in direction of the energy. And so both
4
trades
minutes.
are playing out quite nicely.
5 minutes. 4 minutes.
Trading with light number of contracts, only 2 contracts per position. Because when the market's quiet like this, it can surprise you with a whipsaw fairly quickly. It's when you got the flow of a large number of orders with the market moving, fairly smoothly and decisively, that you can increase your contract size with less risk.
5 minutes.
1700.
6 minutes. 5 minutes. 6 minutes.
1800. Ho, 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 ho. My baby boy blowing up the green candles. That's what's going on.
I like that. We need someone good. You're putting good energy into the market.
Yeah.
I like that.
If anyone would, he would.
We need someone good. You're putting good energy
He's a very
into the
secure,
market.
calm little boy. He knows that everything's okay. Like he's got that demeanor about him where he's just, I'm good. Everything's okay.
6 minutes.
He
7
likes his
minutes.
routines. He likes his nappy changes. He likes his baths. He likes everything about his day. He likes coming and bouncing with dad.
7 minutes.
That's important.
Because his mama does a good job with him.
That's important.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Seven minutes.
As a viewer of the stream, do you like
8
this
minutes.
view with the energy chart? Or do you like the view with the minute bars like this?
8 minutes.
I think both are fine. Oh, now I get it. I don't really know, to be honest. I think too much information could be too much, but most people are looking at candlesticks, and most people prefer what they are familiar with. So,
Oh, I don't
most
care.
people are looking at
It's
candlesticks,
educational.
and most people prefer what
Yeah,
yeah.
take this one. Check out ES rocketing away.
Yeah, yes. I got stopped out by 2 points. Otherwise, I would
8
be
minutes.
yeah also in the
9
slow.
minutes.
Okay, I got stopped out by 3 points. Which is much. 3 points is much. Okay, I got stopped out by 3 points. Which is much. 3 points
Okay, I'm
is
going to
much.
close both positions.
Order filled. Order filled.
I feel that they will keep going up and achieve the previous targets. But that was a really good run. I closed out at the high water mark. And I feel they've both just cruised really well into an area of resistance. And that there'll probably be some wiggles down happening about here.
Mm-hmm.
9 minutes. 10 minutes.
I agree.
Yeah. So that was a really nice session. We're
10
up
minutes.
almost $1,700.
I agree.
So let's call a stop to this stream and take a break.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll come back at 1:30 Eastern time.
So I start my stream in 20 minutes. I will be in this voice chat. If you join me, yes, I don't know. It's up to you.
Well, for sure, see you at 1:30. Or maybe
Nice.
slightly earlier too.
Alright, take care.
Thanks, Luke. Nice chatting with you, mate.
Always, yeah.